Hi, my name is Lizette Manzo, and I'm currently a student at Biola University in the mild to moderate special education credential program. I have a lot of experience in both gen ed and special education, but special education is definitely a passion of mine. It's something that I've always been drawn to, and it's something that's very special to me. I started this journey at Sisseton Unified School District working in ABA with students with autism specific, which actually led me to pursue my master's in school psychology. I felt this was a perfect avenue at the time. And during my time in school psychology, I was at the Placencia Yorba Linda School District. There, I implemented assessments, did observations, counseling. I focused on behavior management and planning, and I participated in a lot of IEP and SSTs, a lot of collaboration and consultation with teachers and administrators basically on a daily basis. Soon thereafter, my husband and I decided it was best for our family for I to be home with our two children, and I've been staying home raising our two sons, which is the best job I could ever ask for. But I decided to return to school and attend Biola University. I chose to pursue teaching because I feel it allows me to build a relationship with students and focus on daily academic growth rather than just see them occasionally. And I felt that I could do this and grow alongside of them. I feel I am a highly qualified candidate for this teaching position because I have a clear understanding of several learning disabilities, including their causes, characteristics, background, and history. I also, based on my knowledge, I feel efficient in teaching students of a multitude of abilities and disabilities and implementing appropriate methods, strategies, and interventions as needed. I know varied instructional methods are vital in addressing student needs and how it is important to adapt my teaching for all learners. Some of these adaptations, modifications, and accommodations are important in creating an environment where educators foster an inclusive setting. Additionally, my coursework and fieldwork at Biola has provided me with a lot of experience in a varied school settings, working with a multitude of students and alongside and collaborating with many educators. Through this process, I feel I have also been created and been prepared in my ability to create and implement lesson plans for students of a multitude of abilities. Also, done with consistent attention put onto inclusivity, of course. Inclusivity is at the forefront of education. This is something that I feel is especially true in special education. And as an educator, we strive to have students alongside their peers in an appropriate placement and in the least restrictive environment. And for that reason, I feel inclusivity is vital. It is important for all educators. And in creating lesson plans specifically, I feel I have a strong ability to create lessons where students are able to develop fluency with the skills and concepts they already learned and apply what they are learning to new situations and expand their knowledge through activities and practices within lessons. In my lessons, I incorporate characteristics such as being clear and concise in my lessons, having adequate transitions for students, assuring all students are engaged and able to learn, and having clear communication. I know it's important to be flexible and able to modify objectives based on my students' progress, which can vary highly depending on my students' abilities. And given the opportunity, and I feel students need to be given the opportunity to practice previous knowledge and newly acquired knowledge in their lessons as well. It's important to consistently keep in mind all student needs, their abilities, and if they have specific plans in place, such as IEPs, individualized education plans, or accommodations and modifications provided by 504 plans. This should all be done while ensuring differentiated instruction is being implemented throughout the lesson. And all students are presented with both California state standards and Common Core standards, of course, throughout the lesson, and that's vital. And with this, I feel that through my experience at Biola and my time there, I feel I have obtained substantial knowledge and practice in creating and adapting and presenting lessons to a students of multitude of abilities. And this connected with my passion for helping all students succeed and doing so with care and faith makes me a great candidate for this job. Thank you for your time.